Now because of my textured concrete posts, these post cover sleeves were not going through all the way. So there was two ways to sort out this issue. You can get it to cut it with the angle grinder, or grind off those raised concrete lumps so the sleeve can slide in nicely. Make sure there is nothing on the side of the concrete post that is stopping it sliding through. Overall guys, it's looking good so far. It's literally now a concrete wall instead of having wooden fence panels. And the final thing is to either paint it, or most likely I will decorate it with outdoor panels. Stay tuned for this one. Stay safe. Peace.